For those of you that don't know, we do also supply the Luminite NEXUS Wireless Lockdown system. Ta-da! We're not just known for our brilliant CCTV equipment, we're also known for other equipment also. So from Luminite, the first thing you need is this base station, call point, built-in sounder, antenna, key switch to turn it on and off, reset on the side, and then additional sounder, remote sounder units to be placed where needed. So you get 2 Luminite battery packs, power cells. It's very important you use the recommended power cells. So the screws on the front of the unit are quarter turn, so simply quarter turn them to remove, fit the batteries inside. What you will see within the unit, the base station, is a little jumper. So really important. Until you place said jumper on jumper 2, it says hi, it's now powered up. So put the lid back on, quarter turn to lock it in. Really simple. Screw these to the wall where needed in said locations, and it's as simple as this. You get reset keys and a test button for the brake glass. So I've already inserted the battery into here and they're paired. They're on the same site code. So these have already been paired. That is available within the instructions. Very simple to do. Follow that to get these paired. It's very simple. To test it, press this button, sounder will go, and now both sounders are going. To stop it, take the reset key, insert, turn, off, and I do it twice just to make sure. The red LED indicator shows that the button has been pressed, so insert reset key, pop it back out, that red light will go out eventually, and now they're reset. So no cabling other than that. There are other options available. There's new call points come in, and we can take outputs from these to trigger, say, doors, but you need a separate PSU to trigger maglocks, etc. Any more information, please come to us and ask us, our lovely salespeople, who will give you pricing and even an on-site demonstration if required. Enjoy.